Hi guys, it's Karina and today we're going to make a chocolate avocado pudding. Super easy to make. You just need a ripe avocado, ripe banana, some maple syrup, and a little bit of cinnamon and some almond milk, and you've got a really tasty treat. Or you can even spread it on toast, add some sliced bananas, which is what we're going to do today. So here we go. Okay, so we start with the banana, ripe banana, really ripe avocado, really helps if they're super ripe. And now the cocoa powder, I use some organic cocoa powder, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Almond milk or whatever type of milk substitute you want to use. And there you go, you've got a beautiful pudding. You can use it as pudding or as a spread. You can put banana slices on top, sprinkle coconut, or add other fruit and nuts, whatever you want. So yummy. Thanks, you guys. See you soon.